Chicken tikka pizza. Ingredients for toppings and dough. Chicken marinated in tikka masala, onion, capsicum, tomato, jalapeno, mushroom, self-raising flour. Pizza sauce, hot sauce, cheddar cheese. Fry the chicken in oil and put it aside until dough is ready. Let's make the pizza dough. 2 cups self-raising flour. 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon salt, pinch of baking powder. Knead the dough until medium soft. Roll the dough in dry flour and make pizza base. Grease the pan with oil or butter. Spread the dough in pizza pan. Spread pizza sauce all over the pizza base. Add layer of cheese over the pizza base. Add the toppings on the base and spread evenly, and then at the top, add some more cheese. Preheat oven for 5 minutes on 180 degrees with lower grill on. Put the pizza tray in oven and increase temperature to 200 degrees for 20 minutes and keep checking after 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, change the grill to upper grill and bake for 8 to 10 minutes more. Yummy pizza is all ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. UK Diary with KYF.